All right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at this microphone right here, professional 3-pin XLR condenser microphone. They did send me this microphone over to check out, so let's check it out. There'll be links down in the video description below. As you can see, beautiful, gorgeous microphone here. This is the blue one. They also have a black one available, different colors. Very heavy duty shock mount here. Very heavy microphone, if you will, as well. A couple other features. We got gain reduction on here. Let's do this real quick. My broken glasses on first. We got -6, and then we have -12, so you probably can't hear me as much. And then we have a high pass filter built in. So this is cut at 40 hertz, cut at 300 hertz. Probably sounds pretty crazy for my voice. So now we're back to the regular setting here. Also comes with this really nice heavy duty case. And the user manual, and then something you're not supposed to eat, so you just throw this out. And then we got the cable as well, and then we have a little bag for it too. We also have this pop filter kind of thing here, cover if you will. I put it on, that's what I'm talking through now, so it'll take care of those plosive sounds, the kind of sounds like that. It also has a built-in pop filter on the microphone, so you don't have to use the foam part. And the proxy effects, I'm getting really close to the microphone now, and now I'm getting farther away, like a normal distance where I would be talking. Indeed. Let's check it out on this guitar. Now this is about 14 inches away from the microphone. Check it out. And then this is about 12 inches away from the guitar. A little more bass added in. No acoustic treatment. I'm just doing this right by my desk, as you can see. All right, so let's check out some other features and specs of this microphone. So we also got a built-in DSP sound chip. Frequency range is 20 to 20,000 hertz. And we have a frequency response of a little bit of dip at the low end, a little bit of bump in the high end. So this mic has a metal body as well. Large diaphragm capsule equipped with a 34mm gold plate large diaphragm capsule. Cardioid pickup pattern. So overall, it's a very well affordable podcaster mic, recording vocals, acoustic instruments, guitar amplifiers, and such. Obviously, I recorded my acoustic here, nothing crazy. You could hear my voice, you hear what it sounds like, obviously. And yeah, so overall, a very well put together microphone here, budget friendly. Let me know what you think in the comments below. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.